Guys, welcome back to my channel, Billy MSP. Hi Bills, whatever. So today we'll be going on MSP2 again, but technically I do not wanna I really don't wanna be this character, and I wanna do sorry about that. So like I wanna be another character, so I'm gonna go on MSP2 beta again. So I'm not really happy with my character. So yes. Let's get on with the video. Yo. So, yep, we're already in the video. We're gonna do on character. Yes. Okay, so yay. Okay. I'm supposed to be doing a test right now. So, yes, I'm gonna tell you when I get here. So right now I am already over here. Wait, I just want to change the that means country. And yes, let's do our character. So first character I actually wanted to have not this hair. This hair, okay, yes, this hair actually. So yes. Make it black. Should I make it black? Yes, I'm gonna make it black. But first I need to change the skin tone of him. Like this, like this, like this. Yes, this is perfect. Yes, yes, yes. And okay, now I'm gonna do the eyes and stuff. I already want the lips exactly how it already is. And yeah, I'm gonna tell you when I'm done with the eyes. Basically, I am done with the eyes, I'm done with the whole face, and now time to get on the clothes. So, technically, I got an idea before filming this video. Maybe I could put, like, the black, wait, what color is it supposed to be? Okay, so technically, I got an idea to put this beige, kind of like the skin tone that I have on the character, and I'm gonna, make it this red. Wait. Does that like look bad or something? Let's make it white. Yeah, okay, I like that. Now wait, actually, okay, yes, I like that way better. So now what I'm gonna be using is the shirt, the pants, of course. I will be taking, this is hard, these ones, okay. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking these ones, and of course for the shoes, I need them red shoes for it to match. I guess, so well, wait a minute, and I'm going to change this color red. OMG, yes, that looks amazing. And, sorry about my voice right now, it's really. So, I'm just going to do it like this. Yes, like this. That looks amazing. And I'm just gonna keep it like that. Yes, of course. So it's gonna be, my username is gonna be, which one should it be? Should be Bills. Like this, Bills. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you when I'm done. So now I'm done. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my god, my voice. I'm so sorry if you have to hear this. Okay. Okay, so, I get 500 star coin. Okay. Okay. So, my password, I'm gonna do my password. It's gonna be, you can know it. going to continue. Okay, now I am playing. Wait. Yes, I got 500 star coins as always. Now I'm just gonna take the boutique. That means the shopping area, I guess. And I'm gonna have lots of fun. How much percent does my laptop have? 70%. Okay, whatever. So, by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. And yes, of course, subscribe if you have not. And comment down below, whatever you want, to be honest. So, I'm gonna go, I feel like changing my, hair. So, yeah, I'll change it right now. Should I just, I do like that. But how about this? Sorry, I'm obsessed with this hair. It's amazing. So I guess I'll do this red. Let me see that. Let's go find other stuff. Ew, no. I do not want that, sir, or miss, or whatever. Okay. I'm gonna change this color. Ooh, wait, I already got an idea. Ew, no. Wait. No, I want this to be like blonde. Is that blonde? Yes, this is good. And now for the other hair, I want it to be red and red and red. Like this. OMG, yes. Okay, so I do love that a lot. Now I'm gonna pick pants, and yes, that's how we're working. Yeah, I don't feel like getting pants, so yep, I'm gonna tell you again when I'm done. Please, I am technically done, and yes, oh my god, I love the hair. So yes, this is loading so slow. Yay, I am right over here, and I'm just gonna be like, I want to buy an animation, because like, you're not a movie star without an animation. Like, oh my god, this is probably noob. This is probably a noob animation on this game, but I love it. Let me do something. What should I buy? There's plenty. How about this? Wait. Yes, this. I do love that. Yes. Okay, so yes, you see, that is amazing. Now, let's go move to other places. Let's go to the beach. Nicki Minaj. Okay, so yes. Let's go to the beach. So, yay! My voice is so squeaky. Yes! I got 200 coins every single time you level up. That's amazing. And also, if you haven't played Movie Star Planet 2, you better go play it right now, cause it's like actually like, of course it's not better than the original Movie Star Planet. Hello, that's a classic. But like, why are you sad? But like, you're able to sit down on stuff. You're able to do like animation. Stuff like that. I just love it. Look at that. So I'm just gonna like I want to level up. I'm going to Central Plaza again. Hopefully I level up to a level 3 for me to get into my house. Because I want to get into my house. How are we able to go to other people's house? Just go on the top. Ew. Okay, whatever. But why don't we go to the studio? What is there in this studio? Yes, I do love that. I honestly really do love that. Hashtag Billy Fan. Well, let's make one. Yes, let's make one. I'm sorry. Classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty. I love TikTok. I'm literally obsessed. Okay, so I'm just gonna do an outfit right now. In this place right now. For this one, I'm just gonna do this hair, and then I am going to say create a look. Right, with this. So after that, let's change the backgrounds. I want to be happy. And also, I don't want to be normal, honestly. I don't even know why. And I'm going to be like this. Yes! Wait a minute, what if I did sad? Would that actually be, like, kind of good? Like, sad face, like, you know what I mean. And then you go like, or should I just do like, how would this look? Wait there. Oh, yes, wait. No, I want natural. Natural is less. Can't you see that beautiful face right over there? Okay. But I'm, of course, changing the background because I do not like the background. We said that. No. This should be the background. Yes, I'm in party. But, like, okay. Oh, wait, no. I want to name my look. I'm going to call it Fab. I'm just going to call it Fab. I don't know why. By the way, once again, go subscribe to Melville MSP. She's honestly the best MSP YouTuber. So, yes, okay, so that's it with the video. So, bye. By the way, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. Bye.